In the main question for Unit 4, we invest $5,000 each year and watch to see what happens after a number of years. In additional question 4, and in additional questions 5, 6, and 7, something very different is happening. Look at the last line of additional question 4. It says, you don't intend to invest more money each year. Just watch the $5,000 grow. Here in this question, we invest $5,000 once and never put any more money into our account. We watch to see what that original $5,000 does over time. As a result, we will not use the begin and end columns that we did for the main question. In the main question, that was important because at the beginning of the year we added money, and at the end of the year we saw how much our account grew. Here, nothing happens at the beginning of the year, so we'll watch to see what happens just at the end of each year. We have two choices. In each case, we start with $5,000 to invest. In the first case, this $5,000 goes up 5% each year. But the company with which we have our investment takes a fee of $100 at the end of each year. We're going to watch over a period of 9 years. Let's see what happens to this investment over the full period of 9 years. How much money will we have at the end of 1 year? We'll have our original $5,000. In addition, we'll have the 5% that we earned on the $5,000. That's 5% of the $5,000. And since we intend to drag this formula, I'll hit F4 to show that it's 5% each year. But we don't have our original investment plus the added amount. We have that minus the amount that the management company charges us. Again, this $100 is the same each year, so to keep it from changing when we drag, I'll hit F4. Here's our formula then. Each year we have what we had last year, plus the extra that we earned because our investment grew, minus the management fee. Dragging this down, we see that at the end of 9 years we have $6,654. Is this good? Let's see. We can compare it to another investment where we start with the same amount of money, earn just 4% a year, but do not get charged a management fee. In this case, the calculation is a little simpler. Each year, at the end of the year, we have what we had at the beginning plus the interest we earned. The 4% doesn't change. At the end of 1 year, $5,200, and at the end of 9 years, $7,117. Our calculations show that it's better to take the investment that pays less but doesn't have a fee to the one that pays more but does have the $100 fee.